Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to hide photos in google-drive.com to keep them private. This is very useful if you value your privacy and you want to keep your photos to yourself. Now, let's follow these few steps together and by the end you're gonna be able to hide your photos in Google Drive. Now for the first step is to create a private folder, and to do so you're gonna have to go to drive.google.com and enter your account credentials and log in. Now once logged in, you'll be directed to your Google Drive account dashboard. From here, click on new and click on new folder and name it something like private photos. Click on create. After that, move the photo you want to hide to this folder right here. I'm gonna move this photo right here. The second step is to adjust the sharing settings. Right click on the folder and select share. Now let's right click on the folder right here and select share. After that, remove any shared access or set the folder to restricted so only you can view it. You can choose this one right here. If it's like this one, switch it to restricted. So and alternatively encrypt the photos before uploading. And that's it. Your photos are now hidden and secure in Google Drive. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.